next from budget chapter. This next fourth question. A firm expect to have 30,000 in the bank on 1st May 1980 and requires you to prepare an estimation of the cash position during the 3 months May to July 1980. May to July. Okay, that is, we should be prepared 3 months of the cash budget. It is a cash position is given, that is cash budget up from May, June, July of the month of 1980. The following information is supplied to you. The following information is supplied to you. That is, the information is given. That is month March, April, May, June, July. The information is given for 5 months of the one. Okay, that is March, April, May, June, July. And the sales is given for every month, and purchase also given each and every month, and the wages is also given for up to 5 months, and the factory expenses, office expenses, and selling expenses is given. Okay, for every month. Every month of selling expenses also is given. Next one, other information also given. Actually, these are the incomes and expenses is incurred in that particular month, but not received or not paid in that particular month. That is, a payment is given. Okay, how to pay, these are the expenses, and how to receive the incomes. Okay, that is in the form of the under other information. Okay, there is in the other information. అంటే మనకి అదర్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్లో ఇచ్చారు ఏంటి, సేల్స్కి సంబంధించిన రిసిప్ట్స్ ఎప్పుడు వచ్చాయి, ఎంత వచ్చాయి, అండ్ పర్చేజెస్, వేజెస్, ఫ్యాక్టరీ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్, ఆఫీస్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్, సెల్లింగ్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్కి ఏ మంత్లో ఎంత ఇచ్చాము. ఓకే, హౌ టు సెటిల్ దట్ అమౌంట్. Okay, that is the information is given under other information. Okay, next one. In this first point, 25% of the sales is for cash. Remaining amount is collected in the month following that of sales. అంటే మనకు సేల్స్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ వన్ చూడండి, 25% of the sales is for cash. Remaining amount is collected in the month of following month of sales. అంటే 25% సేల్స్ క్యాష్లో పే చేస్తున్నాం. అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సేల్స్ ఎంత, 40,000 సేల్స్ చేసాము అని అంటే మనకి ఏంటి, రిసిప్ట్. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ గుడ్ సోల్డ్ దెన్ వీ షుడ్ బి రిసీవ్డ్ అమౌంట్. దట్ ఈస్ ద రిసిప్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద అమౌంట్. ఓకే, 25% రిసీవ్డ్ ఎట్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ సేల్ అండ్ రిమైనింగ్ 75% we received in the month of following the month. Okay, that is in the last month we can that is converted into as a debtors, and the next month, okay, that is means credit sales, and the next month that will be collected from the debtors. That is only the one. Like that every month, 46,000 April month. So 25% received in the April from 46,000. Remaining amount collected from in the month of May. Okay, and same also May month also 25% from 50,000. 25% received in the month of May, and remaining amount is collected in the month of June. And June also 72,000, 25% is collected in the month of June, and remaining 75% is collected in the month of July. Like that, okay, 25% in the same month, and remaining 75% will be collected in the next month as a debtors. Okay, that is only the collection amount. Next, purchases. Second one, suppliers supply goods at 2 months credit. Okay, 2 months credit, and they will wait 2 months. Who is the suppliers means from whom we goods purchased on credit? They are called as suppliers. Okay, whatever goods provided to us, they are called as suppliers. Okay, so that is the suppliers. Okay, they can wait up to 2 months credit period. 2 months credit period. Okay, and after 2 months we will be paid. Next, delay in payment of wages and all other expenses in 1 month. So remaining except purchase, wages, factory expense, office expense, selling expenses. Okay, it should be 1 month of the 1 month period is a lagging period. Lagging ante manaki time gap between the payment. Next, delay in payment of wages and other expenses. Income tax of rupees 10,000 is due to be paid in July. Actually 10,000 is paid in July. So July month we can write as a income tax as a payment. Next, preference share dividend of 10% on 1 lakh. And 1 lakh into 10%, that is 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees to be paid in May. Okay, that is paid in the month of May. Okay, so how to settle and how to collect that is amount? So because of one month is half of the one we can be received in particular month, and remaining will be collected in the remaining next month. And if it is a sales, 25% collected in the same month and the remaining 75% collected in the next month. How to solve this is the solution that will be seen. So it is cash budget. There is a cash budget for May, for the month of May, June and July. Okay, and the year is 1980. Okay, 1980. So actually in this question we should be prepared May, June and July months only. Okay, we require only 3 months. In this question he asked only 3 months of the one, but clarification in the question and while calculating solution we should be I have drawn I have taken for the month of March and April also. Okay, calculation purpose easy ga undadaniki March and April kuda teeskunnanu. Finally we require May, June, July. That is only the important one. Okay, chudandi. So a firm expected to have 30,000 in the bank on 1st May 1980. So we are preparing cash budget. Cash budget lo em untayandi? First manaki receipts tarvata payments. These are only the two one. Okay, మన cash గురించి డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం అంటే there is a receipts and payment, that's it only. Okay, in this receipts, first of all this opening balance is a favorable balance. Okay, so that is the reason balance. Okay, opening balance and రాయండి. Opening balance, that is opening balance is given for the month of 1st May 1980. So that is 1st May 1980, that is a 30,000 balance. You can also write in the month of May only. Okay, next one, sales. The sales information is given. 25% of the sales is for cash, remaining amount is collected in the month of following that of sales. అంటే ఇక్కడ cash sales అని రాద్దాం. Cash sales, so 25% current month. Okay, మన current month లో 25% of sales. In this current అంటే every month, అంటే for example March month sales, in this month 25%. Okay, and April sales, in this month same month. Okay, 25% is cash sales, like that. In this 40,000, for example there is a March sales is there, that is 40,000. 40,000 into 25% is a cash sales. That is March sales, in the month of March we received 10,000 as a cash sales. Okay, and the remaining amount is a credit sales. Remaining amount is a credit sales. Okay, received from debtors. Debtors నుంచి ఎంత రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటున్నామో చూద్దాం. Okay, that is from 40,000 25% received. Okay, received in the current month. Okay, this received from debtors is 75% of previous month. అంటే లాస్ట్ మంత్ లో నుంచి, అంటే లాస్ట్ మంత్ నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ లో రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, ప్రీవియస్ మంత్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ April sales amount. Okay, for example March sales amount. Okay, March sales amount, whatever the remaining 30,000, 40,000 received in this March month, and remaining 30,000 received in the month of April month. That is 75%. So that is 30,000 here. So that is only the clearance of March 1. Okay, should be clear here only. Okay, ikkade క్లారిటీ ఉందో లేదో చూసుకోండి ఒకసారి. మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను చూడండి, మనకు 40,000 సేల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 40,000లో 25% సేమ్ మంత్ ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చాడు, రిమైనింగ్ Okay, sales for cash in the same month. Remaining 75% is next month. Okay, that is only the following the month, that is 30,000. Okay, as per this collected in the following that of month. Following that of sales ante next. Okay, following that of sales ante enti manaki ikkada chudandi, following that of sales ante next month only. Okay, next. So same as 46,000 there is in the April sales. Okay, 46,000 into 25%, that is 11,500. it should be received as a cash sales, అంటే సేమ్ మంత్లో వస్తుంది మనకి క్యాష్. రిమైనింగ్ 75% ఈస్ దట్ ఈస్ 46,000 into 75%. Actually it is April sales but received in the month of May, that is 34,500. 34,500. Next 50,000 in the May sales. May sales ఎంత ఉన్నాయి, మే మంత్లో 50,000. 50,000 into 25%, that is 12,500 cash sales means received in the same month. Okay, same month లో రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాము. సో రిమైనింగ్ 75% ఏదైతే ఉందో అది నెక్స్ట్ మంత్లో రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటాం, దట్ ఈస్ 50,000 into 75%, దట్ ఈస్ 37,500 క్రెడిట్ సేల్స్ కాబట్టి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ 72,000 into 25% is a cash sales, that is 18,000 in the same month. Okay, 18,000 into remaining 72,000 into 75%, that is received in the next month, that is 54,000. 54,000. Okay, in the month of July. Okay, next 84,000 in the month of July. In this 25% received in the same month only, July month only, 21,000. that is remaining 75%, that is 84,000 into 75% is 63,000 received in the month of August. Received in the month of August, but no need to prepare here August month calculations. Okay, that is only the one. Clear? Next, so sales completed. Next, suppliers supply goods at 2 months credit. Suppliers ante evaru, purchases. Okay, what are the goods supplied to? Goods supplied to, okay, to us, that is they are called as suppliers. Suppliers there is a 2 months credit. 2 months credit means here it's a payment. Okay, మన goods purchase చేసి ఏం చేయాలి, పే చేయాలి. They are called as suppliers. Okay, suppliers కి ఎప్పుడు పే చేస్తున్నాము, 2 months credit. 2 months credit అంటే ఇక్కడ పేమెంట్ టు పర్చేస్ అని చెప్పకుండా, పే టు పర్చేస్ అని చెప్పకుండా ఇక్కడ ఏమని రాస్తాము, క్యాష్ పెయిడ్ టు క్రెడిటార్స్. మనకు ఎవరైతే క్యాష్, ఓకే, అంటే మనకు ఎవరి దగ్గర నుంచి అయితే గూడ్స్ పర్చేస్ చేస్తున్నామో వాళ్ళని ఏమంటారు, క్రెడిటార్స్ అంటారు. ఓకే, టు దట్ క్రెడిటార్స్, ఓకే, దెర్ ఇస్ ఏ క్రెడిట్ అలౌడ్ పీరియడ్ ఈజ్ 2 months, అంటే ఆఫ్టర్ 2 months we will be pay. Means there is a credit purchases in, okay, 24,000 in the month of March. Okay, that is paid in the month of May. 2 months అంటే మార్చ్ ఏప్రిల్ కాకుండా మేలో పే చేస్తున్నాము. ఓకే, క్రెడిటార్స్ మార్చ్ ఏప్రిల్ కాకుండా మేలో ఎంత పే చేస్తున్నాం మరి, 24,000 పే చేస్తున్నాం ఫుల్ అమౌంట్. దెర్ ఈస్ నో పార్ట్లీ పేమెంట్. 24,000. Okay, there is no cash. Okay, cash purchases directly, it is all those amount, all purchases, it is credit purchases only. Next, April purchases 2 months అంటే ఏప్రిల్ మే అంటే జూన్లో పే చేస్తాము. ఓకే, జూన్లో అంటే ఏప్రిల్లో ఉన్నవి ఏప్రిల్ మే కాకుండా జూన్ 2 months క్రెడిట్ అన్నాడు కదా, ఎంత, 28,000. నెక్స్ట్ మే మంత్ పర్చేజెస్ 32,000. మే మంత్ పర్చేజెస్ అంటే మే జూన్ కాకుండా జూలైలో. ఓకే, జూలైలో 32,000. ఓకే, మరి రిమైనింగ్ 36,000 ఆగస్ట్, 40,000 సెప్టెంబర్. ఓకే, లైక్ దట్ ఇట్ విల్ బి పేమెంట్ టు దెమ్. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ ద పెయిడ్ టు క్రెడిటార్స్, దట్ ఈస్ పర్చేజెస్. హింట్ గురించి రాస్తున్నాను, పర్చేజెస్ లైక్ దిస్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్, delay in payment of wages and all other expenses 1 month. Okay, 1 month lag in period. What are the all expenses? Wages and all expenses means wages, factory expense, office expense, selling expense, all are 2 months credit. Okay, all are 2 months credit. That is, first one we should be paid wages, paid to wages. Wages is the previous only, okay, previous 1 month only, okay, 1 month credit. So that is wages. ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంది 6000 అంటే మార్చ్ మంత్ 6000, ఏప్రిల్లో ఎంత ఉన్నాయి 6500 ఉన్నాయి కదా. ఏప్రిల్లో 6500, మేలో పే చేస్తాము. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ మేలో 6500, జూన్లో పే చేస్తాం. అది మళ్ళీ జూన్లో 7000 రూపీస్ జూలైలో పే చేస్తాము. జూన్లో ఉన్న 7000 రూపీస్, ఓకే, June 7000 rupees of the wages we paid in the month of July month. Okay, so that is only the wages. Same as factory expenses. Factory expenses, that is also previous month. అంటే ప్రీవియస్ అని ఎందుకు రాస్తున్నాను అని అంటే ఇక్కడ అంటే మార్చ్లో ఉన్నవి ఏప్రిల్లో, అంటే ఏప్రిల్ మంత్లో రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాము. ఏ మంత్వి? ప్రీవియస్ మంత్, అంటే మార్చ్ మంత్. ప్రీవియస్ అంటే ఏంటి? బ్యాక్ ఉన్న, లాస్ట్ ఉన్న ఇయర్ కదా, నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ కాదు, లాస్ట్ ఇయర్స్ కదా. కాబట్టి మార్చ్ మంత్లో అని అర్థం. లాస్ట్ అంటే ఏంటి? మార్చ్ ఇక్కడ, ఓకే, అందుకే ప్రీవియస్ అని మెన్షన్ చేస్తున్నాను ఇక్కడ. ఫ్యాక్టరీ అనేది ఫ్యాక్టరీ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ ఫస్ట్ మార్చ్లో ఉన్న 3000 ఏప్రిల్లో రిసీవ్ పే చేస్తాము. అండ్ ఏప్రిల్ 3500 రూపీస్ పేడ్ ఇన్ ద మంత్ ఆఫ్ మే. అండ్ మే 4000 rupees will be paid in the month of June. Next, June month of factory expenses paid in the month of July. That is only the one. Next one, after factory expenses, office expenses. This is also previous month. Okay, so same as office expenses 4000 of March expenses paid in the month of April. Okay, April 4000 amount it is paid in the month of May. Next, same as all are 4000, right? 4000. Next, selling expenses also lag in payment of 1 month. Selling expenses previous month only. Okay, so that is also 3000 in the month of March will be paid in the month of April, and April month of selling expenses paid in the month of May, that is 3500, and May 3500 amount paid in the month of June, that is 3500, and June 4000 rupees of the selling expenses paid in the month of July, that is 4000. Okay, that is only the adjustment. As per adjustment we did it. Okay, next one. Okay, here it is completed first point, second point and third point also. And income tax of rupees 10,000 is due to be paid in July. అంటే ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ ఎప్పుడు పే చేయాలండి? ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ అమౌంట్ ఈజ్ పేడ్ ఇన్ ద మంత్ ఆఫ్ జూలై. జూలై అంటే ఇంక ఇక్కడ ఎంత అండి? ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ అమౌంట్ 10,000 రూపీస్. జూలైలో రాయండి 10,000. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ప్రిఫరెన్షియల్ షేర్ డివిడెండ్ ఆఫ్ 10% ఆన్ rupees 1 lakh to be paid in May. Means 1 lakh into 10% it is 10,000 rupees. That is preferential dividend. Preferential dividend 1 lakh into 10%, which is equal to 10,000. That is paid in the month of May. May month it is 10,000. Okay, finally like this we can settle the payments. Okay, this is only the cash budget. Cash budget means what, in which month we are paid the cash and how much we paid and what is the balance we should be maintained in the bank account. For that reason we should be prepared the cash budget. Every organization has to prepare the cash budget. Okay, for this continuation of the months, or otherwise organization will be face too much of the problems while payment or receipts. So that is only the amounts. Now we can calculate the total of receipts and total of payments. Total. Here also total receipts total. So you can we should be started from May month, because of in this question also it's given opening balance of May. So hence you should be start with opening balance, whatever in which month opening balance is given. You should be started from that month. That is 30,000 plus 12,500, 30,000 plus 12,500 plus 34,500, which is equal to 77,000. The payments in the month of May is 51,500. 77,000 minus 51,000, it is closing balance of cash. Closing balance of cash, that is minus 77,000. Receipts is more than payments, that is difference is 25,500. So closing balance of May month is becoming opening balance for the next month, that is 25,500 opening balance to the that is a June month. Last month closing balance May month lo end of the month lo edaithe closing balance undo next month ki emautundi June month ki adi opening avutundi. Ade June month closing balance July month ki opening avutundi. Like that we should be calculate here. It is the opening balance of May, it is 30,000, and June is the opening balance of the cash started with 25,500. Now you can total the receipts and payments. Next, the total of receipts is 81,000 and the total of payments is 46,000. Hence 81,000 minus 46,000. 81,000 minus 46,000, which is equal to 35,000. 35,000. This is the 35,000 closing balance for the month of June, and it is becoming a opening balance to the July month. And now you can total the receipts and payments for the month of July. The expenditure, the income receipts of July month is 1,10,000 and expenditure payments are 61,400. If we deduct, that is 1,10,000 minus 61,400, it is a 48,000. 48,600. It is a closing balance in the month of July. That is only the end of the month. So finally, every month we should be maintain minimum balance to make the payments of the cash. It's very important concept and very important question. You should be prepared thoroughly. Practice more and more times.